welcome to Untitled Academy. My name is Becky and today we are looking at country lanes. Well, thank you for joining us. Please subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your support. Visit our training zone at trainingzone.lpodacademy.co.uk and sign up to our secret Facebook group. The link is below in this description. You can find our driving test tips at our website. Check out our blog at learnerpod.co.uk and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and Instagram. And remember, like, share and comment below. If you would like to grab yourself a free 52-page learner manual, please be sure to follow the link on the screen and we shall pop it in the description below this video to grab yourself a free 52-page learner manual. Okay, so useful tools. Whilst preparing for your driving lessons, you can have access to lots of videos on YouTube. You should visit our training zone. You should get some tips from our blog at learnerpod.co.uk. It's also a good idea to take some notes. Grab yourself a copy of the highway code and again, lots of patience and practice. When driving on country lanes, it's really important to be able to drive with due care and attention. Rural roads cause the second most amount of accidents after urban collisions and accidents. It is really important to be able to anticipate the roads you are driving on and deal with any potential or developing hazards. Country lanes are usually single carriageway roads and are not in built-up areas. It is really important to be able to identify what kinds of roads you are on so that you can apply the correct road procedures and the correct use of speed. Very often you will encounter remote villages and hamlets on your route. Sometimes these can be particularly hazardous due to sharp bends and unexpected hazards and other road users. Road signs. When driving in the country, you will encounter lots of road signs. And some road signs may not be that familiar to you. You should be sure to constantly look out for the following items. Speed signs, warning signs, direction signs, hidden dips and turns, level crossings, fords, horses, tractors, stop signs, and of course give way signs. Road markings. When driving in the country, you will encounter lots of road markings and sometimes there won't be any road markings at all. It's really important to be able to drive defensively and with caution. Here are some things to look out for. Hidden dips. Brows of hills, bends in the road, give way markings, stop junction markings, road narrowings, single lanes, narrow bridges, tunnels, unmarked crossroads and passing places. Use of speed. When driving on country lanes, you should drive defensively, and remember, on many occasions you won't be able to drive at the upper maximum speed limit. You should drive with common sense. Although the road may be signed national speed limit, this does not necessarily apply to the bit of road you are driving on. You should reduce your speed accordingly and in good time for some of the following situations: bends in the roads, hazards in the road, when approaching a built-up area, when approaching livestock and animals, when approaching horses, guided walks and pedestrians, when you are driving in bad weather conditions. Road position. When driving on country lanes, you will encounter lots of bends and hidden dips in the road. You should make sure you follow this advice. You should reduce your speed for hidden dips, narrow bridges and fords. You should also position the car to the left if the bend you are approaching bends to the right. This will give you maximum view of the road ahead. If the road bends to the left, you should position a car in the middle of your lane. This will enable you to get maximum view of the road ahead whilst maintaining a healthy distance away from oncoming traffic. When driving in a straight line, you should position the car 1 metre from the left. Be aware of potholes, broken tarmac and crevices. Hazards. When driving on country lanes and rural roads, you will often come across lots of hazards in the road. You should be sure to drive defensively and be prepared to stop within the distance seen to be clear. Here are some likely hazards you may encounter. Horse riders, pedestrians, tractors, cyclists, motorbike riders, animals, birds, livestock, farmers and of course children. Villages. When driving on country lanes and rural roads, very often you will drive through remote villages and hamlets. The speed limit will change and urban area rules will apply. You should be aware that you will find some unusual road layouts that you may not have encountered before. Be sure to drive with due care and attention and pay particular care of bends, sharp turns, one-way streets, pedestrian crossings, Pegasus crossings, level crossings, gated entrances, farm animals, give way and stop junctions. The driving exam. When it comes to the driving test, some common areas of driving that can cause you to gain driver errors or serious faults can include: number 1, approaching junctions too fast. Number 2, not making progress on straight roads. Number 3, not responding to road signs and markings. Number 4, poor road position. Number 5, not dealing with hazards safely. 6, not driving with due care and attention for potholes, crevices and obstacles in the road. For more driving test tips, you can visit our video training series, Pass Your Driving Test First Time. This video series explains the driving test sheet, the marking criteria, and comes with over 30 videos to explain the subjects included on the driving exam. Please like, share, comment and remember to tell all of your friends about these videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We really do appreciate your support. You can visit our training zone at our website for all of these lesson tutorial plans, and of course you can sign up to driving test tips at www.lpodacademy.co.uk. You can also check out our blog at learnerpod.co.uk and find us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+ and Instagram. And remember, please like, share and comment below this video. If you are looking to take an intensive driving course, please visit our website for more details. Until next time, take care.